Keep getting something went on wrong on the promotional page on Instagram? When you try to promote something on Instagram and if you get this promotional page on Instagram, watch this video and learn only 3 advanced ways to solve your problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Fix your internet. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer Options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active the Always Mobile Data on if you are using mobile data. Solution 2. Connect your Instagram app to Facebook. Open up the Instagram app, tap Profile, tap 3-dot line, tap Setting, tap Account, tap Sharing to other apps, tap Facebook. Now enter your Facebook login credential. Solution 3. Connect the account from the Account Center. Open up the Instagram app again. Tap Profile, tap 3-dot line, tap Setting, tap Account Center, tap Account, tap Login with the account. Tap allows all accounts to log in to each other. There you are. After this 3 processes, your problem will be solved on your Instagram. But if you still have a problem, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for your time.